Hey guys, we're back with another steering wheel video. As you can see here, I got 4 new steering wheels that we're gonna show you. Today it's kind of like a little JDM listing that we have right here. So first off, we're gonna go ahead and show one for the 350Z. This one right here, you can see. So what the customer went, this is again for the 350Z. The customer went with the LED version, regular carbon fiber, black carbon fiber inlay. For the hand grip material, they went with the purple Alcantara with purple stitching as well. So you can see right there. Again, for the 350Z, this one's pretty nice looking. Now next up, I'm gonna show you right here, we have another Alcantara one. This one right here is for a Honda Civic. So this customer went with the non-LED version, so he has black carbon fiber as the normal one, black carbon fiber inlay, black stitching, as you can see right in there. And then they went with the red Alcantara and then the red 12 o'clock ring, of course. Again, for the OEM, this is what we call it. We have the OEM steering wheel for when it's the 12 o'clock ring. You guys have the option to have it, or you guys could just put non-12 o'clock ring, so you get this all up here would just be blank. So yeah, again, Honda Civic. We got for a Scion FRS. This is the default style. Well, actually, not default style in a way, because we have the LED, black carbon fiber, black leather, red carbon inlay, but if it was default style, it would have the red stitching, which instead the customer went with this one is black stitching as well. So almost default style, but then again, it has black stitching, no red stitching. So yeah, so this one's pretty good. Again, this is for the Scion FRS. This one comes with the center trim. And last but not least, we got for the Toyota G86. This is right here. So what this customer went is, has LED, you got black carbon fiber, black leather, and black stitching. So again, this customer went all simple, all blacked out. So maybe probably his G86 is probably all blacked out, or he probably has it all colored, but he'd rather have the steering wheel all blacked out, which is something that a lot of people like. So again, this is Toyota G86. This one is for a Ram 1500. You can see right here. This is for 2019 and plus. It's right here. So what the customer got for this one, as you can see here, is the customer went with the white 12 o'clock ring. So it's a non-LED steering wheel. And then he went with white leather, and then with the forged carbon fiber, forged carbon inlay, and then the black stitching. So this is a pretty nice combination. So again, it's for the Dodge Ram 1500. The other truck that we have is right here. The customer with this one went with our LED version. You got regular black carbon fiber. They went with black carbon fiber inlay, black leather, and then orange stitching for the color. So you yourselves can check them out. You know, if we see a steering wheel that you like, or one that you want to order for a friend as a Christmas present, like, you know, start Christmas shopping now, basically kind of is. Or the tax now for the tax return, because our promo, I believe, is still going up. Next up, and I believe this is our first time we've ever had one for this one. This is for the Kia Stinger. You can see right there. So this one, the customer went with the LED version. It is regular carbon fiber, red leather, and then black stitching, as you can see right there. So again, this is, I believe this is the first time we've ever, our first sale for this one. So this is for the Kia Stinger. So if anyone has a Kia Stinger or knows someone who does and they're trying to look for a carbon fiber steering wheel, we got them right there on the website. Now next up, we got our last 2 steering wheels are again for our most popular, or for the Dodge 2015 and 2023 models. So again, they're for the Dodge Charger, Challenger, Trackhawk, Durango, and Chrysler 300s. You can see right here. So what this customer went with right here, as you can see, is the customer went with the blue 12 o'clock ring, regular carbon fiber, black Alcantara, and blue stitching, no carbon inlay whatsoever. So it was more of a simple one, so black and blue. So this is pretty nice. Just again, I like to mention, I do not like Alcantara. I rather prefer the leather. So, but it is a good steering wheel. And then last but not least, we have another Dodge 2015-2023, and this one's actually my favorite out of the batch. I really like this one. You got LED version, forged carbon fiber, red leather, red stitching, and then they went with regular red carbon fiber. Because I know for our Forge, we don't offer other colors at the moment. Unfortunately, hopefully eventually in the future, we'll add more. Because I know we do offer for the mattes that we do have more colors. And then they also ordered the center trims, which is VZ10 1277. They got theirs in forged carbon. So you can see right here. Yeah, so I would say out of this batch today that we got, steering wheels I'm gonna go send out, this is my favorite for the day. And that's all the steering wheels I got for here. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Stay tuned for more future product videos. More steering wheels coming up in the way because we have a lot more steering wheels in production right now. And you know, once we get them in, we're gonna show them to you guys. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. We'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow on our social medias on IG, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. And we'll see you guys next time. Laters.